Hook the securing clip over the riser on the riser cage. Fasten the screw on the securing clip. Align the left-hand side pin on the 7mm drive cage with the positioning slot on the securing clip. Align the two holes on the side brackets of the 7mm drive cage with the two holes on the front of the riser cage. Install the two screws to secure the 7mm drive cage in place. Install the riser 2 assembly into the system. Connect the cables to the 7mm drive backplane. Install the top cover.